ice cream. Do you understand what this is? Is it a word, a sentence, or a phrase? But consider this. I like ice cream. Now, do you get it? This is how important the punctuation is. Writing nothing at all will be better than writing a sentence with no punctuation. Learning all about parts of speech, tenses, sentence structure, direct and indirect speech, active, passive and different type of sentences without knowing how to use the right punctuation mark in the right places will make all of it useless. So, to help you with it, this video will introduce you to what punctuation is, the different punctuation mark in the English language and how to use them. The first is full stop. Full stop are generally used to mark the end of a sentence, that is a complete statement. जब एक sentence पूरा complete हो जाएगा तो हम वहाँ पर full stop लगाते हैं. For example, she is reading in her room. Full stop. तो ये sentence यहाँ complete हो गया. That's why we are using full stop. Let's see one more example. Please close the door on your way out. Full stop are also used for abbreviations. For example, doctor, professor, etc. The another is comma. We use comma to separate a list of similar words or phrases. For example, I like reading books, listening to music and traveling. And it shows a break in a sentence. For example, as the day came to an end, the firefighters put out the last spark. अब जब हम यहाँ पर दो sentences की बात कर रहे थे, एक break आया, so I used the comma in between. Let's see the third one, the exclamation mark. The exclamation mark is used to express exasperation, astonishment or surprise or to emphasize a comment or short sharp phrase. In professional or everyday writing, for example, help, help, that's unbelievable. Get out, look out, or we can say, what a lovely day. What a lovely day when it is obviously that it's not a lovely day. तो वहाँ हम use कर रहे हैं this exclamation sign. That was clever. When someone has done something stupid, so you can use this sign there. And the next is the question mark. We use question mark at the end of all the direct questions. जब आप किसी से कोई भी question पूछते हैं तो वहाँ आप directly question mark लगा देते हैं. For example, what's your name? Do you speak Italian? You aren't Spanish, aren't you? But guys, do not use a question mark for reported questions. For example, he asked me what my name was. अब ये एक reported question है तो यहाँ पर आप question mark use नहीं करेंगे. Let's see one more example. She asked if I was Spanish. Ask them where they are going. ये questions reported हैं तो इसलिए हम यहाँ पर question mark use नहीं करेंगे. And the next is capital letters. Everything you start writing starts with a capital letter. The beginning of a sentence, names and the title of people, even the month of the year or week and so on. We are going to celebrate Easter today. I hail from Delhi. She goes to town in May. Well guys, these were some punctuation and some important punctuations which you people should use it correctly. I'll be back with some more punctuations for you. Till then, stay connected.